In this Marketpresso AI review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to create a marketplace for you that allows you to actually use artificial intelligence to complete the products and get paid. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Marketpresso AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, introducing Marketpresso AI rapidly scales revenue by getting more clients. World's first and only AI marketplace builder that gets you more clients, higher amount projects, builds your authority, and kills the competition. AI helps set up the marketplaces and even fulfills the service for you. So essentially, it's allowing you to make something that's kind of like a Fiverr competitor. You have your own professional branded marketplace, become a go-to service provider. So whether you're doing the services yourself or if you're going out there and you're outsourcing them, you can still use this. You can list down and offer all your services, works for any niche, 100% cloud-based. You can even charge higher prices and not worry about Fiverr taking all that money from you and from those commissions from you here. This compares it to like more to Fiverr or Upwork, where you're going to be having, you can get started at 0 fees. These guys take upwards of 20% fees per sale, so you're going to be saving money just with that aspect of this. If you've already got clients coming back to you, you might as well be listing on your own marketplace. And now this lets you use, again, the power of AI to fulfill your orders here. Now I'm going to scroll down through a lot of this here, as I'm going to allow you to look at that on your own time. But if you do purchase, there are 2 different options here. There's a light version and an elite version. With the elite one, you can sell marketplace to clients. You can actually set up 10 marketplaces with this. So this is going to give you even more ability to earn. And there's also, by the way, there's a discount coupon right on the sales page. Now, I'm going to go ahead and play you a video explaining this a little bit more. Before I do that, I just want to let you know that there is a bundle discount that I'm going to come back and tell you about. That bundle discount is this little purple link right on my bonus page. If you click on that, that'll take you over to the bundle. It'll give you all the OTOs. But yeah, I'm going to play that video. I'll be back in a second to show you the backend area and the OTOs in the bundle.
Hey, if you are a freelancer or service provider or digital marketing agency owner, or if you have purchased any products with commercial white label or agency rights, then you will want to pay very close attention to what you're about to see. Because in this short video today, you will discover a new revolutionary technology that will help you to get more clients, get more customers to any service that you offer, crack those high-profit projects more easily, build your authority as the go-to service provider in your space, get highly paid for the services that you offer, get more recurring customers, make clients trust you, dominate the bigger companies, and get more sales and increase your profits online within minutes. But first, let me show you the basic problem that every service provider faces, especially the new ones. We know that it's really hard to crack new client projects. As a service provider, when you reach out to clients, they judge you by the way you present yourself or your website. You should have an amazing portfolio. Your profile should scream quality. You should have customer testimonials to back your work. And after all of this, they always want to take you down on price. That's because you are seen as just a freelancer and not a serious professional or an authority in your work. Now, the only place where you can create a professional-looking portfolio with attached pricing and customer reviews are freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com. But here's the problem. All of these platforms are really crowded with thousands of competitors with better reviews. Guess what? You keep on waiting to receive an order for days, weeks, and even months. Sometimes you receive 1 or 2 orders in a week, but they are hardly enough to pay your bills. This is the number one reason why so many entrepreneurial dreams die on a daily basis, because of the heavily crowded marketplaces which are not able to get you enough orders to run your business. Introducing Marketpresso. Marketpresso allows you to create your own premium services marketplace. You will no longer be dependent on the crowded marketplaces. Create your own professional branded marketplace. Your marketplace will run on your own domain with your custom branding and will create your authority instantly whenever you share the link with anyone. Customers will feel supremely confident in buying from you rather than any normal freelancer, allowing you to charge more, keep more, and generate maximum amount of profits as quickly as possible. You can create a personalized branded marketplace for literally any service. Whether it is landing page building, graphic design, video marketing, video creation, content writing, voiceover, copywriting, chatbot creation, online marketing, web development, translation, ebook creation, or literally any service in the world. Simply list down all the services that you have to offer. Our smart system allows you to set your pricing as per your work. You can charge as per time, per hour or per minute or per second, number of words, duration of script, a fixed price, flexible price, based on number of units, or set your own variables. And it's really easy to get started with Marketpresso in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Simple customizable design to personalize your marketplace. Step 2. Add your product or service details. Step 3. Assign a price to your services. Step 4. Connect payment gateway to start collecting payments. And just like that, your own fully fledged branded marketplace is ready to help you get more service and client orders on a daily basis. Plus, unlike the famous marketplaces where you are literally fighting with thousands of other service providers, you will sell in your marketplace with zero competition. Plus, you can get started selling with 0% fees and keeping all the profits for yourself without thinking of paying the heavy 20% fees that Fiverr and Upwork charges. And another huge benefit is these famous freelancing websites never share the buyer details with you, hence always keeping you dependent on them for the orders. In other words, you are building their business, not your business. With your own marketplace, you will own the buyer's list. I'm sure you've probably heard that money is in the list. This simple thing will keep on bringing in recurring orders for you. With Marketpresso, you will have your own fully branded marketplace with a professional homepage, a professional category layout, all your services listed in one place, an expert-looking project page where you can flaunt your work, your pricing variations listed in an authoritative way, quality checkout page to order your services, add to cart feature where customers can add and order additional services, messaging and texting feature with your clients with real-time notifications, set badges on offers to highlight attention, inbuilt checkout system with your connected payment gateway, testimonial section where you can add testimonials on your own, integration with your email and SMS service provider, one-click multi-languages translation so you can sell globally, professional customer login, FAQ section, proper customer management portal, and so much more. Honestly, these are not even 50% of the features that come with Marketpresso. There is so much more that can be done, and it is already giving you that much required edge in this cutthroat competitive service business. Your newfound authority will allow you to charge higher prices because your customers will take your services more seriously as a dedicated business rather than a simple freelancer. Clearly, Marketpresso will make you more money than anything else on the planet by letting you sell all the services that you have to offer and allowing you to charge higher prices. You might be wondering how you will get customers to your marketplace. You just need to share your marketplace link with business owners. Just because of the serious commitment, higher level trust, and sheer quality that will reflect because of your own marketplace, you will start bagging more orders. Everyone wants to work with true professionals. Plus, inside the members area, we are providing you with the Getting Clients training that will teach you how to get clients from every nook and corner of the internet. Here is a small gist. Number 1. Be a local market superhero. Local businesses like restaurants, salons, dentists, gyms, etc. cannot do the things that you can do for them. Share the link of your marketplace and ask them to get in touch with you whenever they need your service. Number 2. Blog feature inside Marketpresso with automatic Google indexing. We have added this incredible feature where you can add content related to your service, and it will be indexed on Google automatically. Get huge traffic from Google whenever someone searches for your kind of service. Really cool, right? Number 3. Smart LinkedIn filters, training inside members area. We have added a detailed training inside the members area on how to use the smart LinkedIn filters to reach out to the target clients. Plus, we will also give you the script of what to say to them when you reach out to these high-ticket clients. Pretty cool, right? Next, number 4. We will give you access to our revenue Rolodex. This gives you the exact strategies to use to get free traffic and grab clients from some of the biggest sites online. Just follow the simple directions, and you are off and running. Thousands of business owners with ready wallets are looking for serious service providers here. You will stand out because of your own marketplace rather than simply being a normal freelancer with their profile on a public marketplace. Number 5. FB Ads training by Forbes recognized co-founder of Marketpresso. Saurabh Bhatnagar, one of the founders of Marketpresso, is a Forbes recognized Facebook ads expert. Inside the members area, he will teach you how to bring your marketplace in front of thousands of buyers using Facebook ads. The opportunity here is unlimited. And last, number 6, simply be a middleman and earn profits per order. Get in touch with freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork by simply messaging them. Tell them you will bring orders to them without telling them how. List their services into your marketplace for $400 or $500 each and pay them the nominal amount that they were asking for inside Fiverr. You, being the middleman, will keep 100% profits even without touching the job. And of course, you, being a serious marketplace owner, the orders will keep on increasing in your marketplace. Marketpresso presents you with an incredible opportunity to get more clients, bag more service orders, get more higher value projects, build your authority as a service provider, and charge higher prices for your services. We have just launched Marketpresso, and naturally today our price is the lowest that it will ever be. Plus, your purchase is backed up by our 30 days 100% no questions asked money back guarantee. If your marketplace doesn't help you get more clients and service projects, simply reach out to us and take your money back, no questions asked. Today, you are getting the amazing opportunity of creating your very own services marketplace at the lowest price ever. Our price is increasing daily, and the second our early bird is over, our price will be doubled, and soon we will switch to monthly membership. Today, you can get unrestricted access at the lowest ever price, and you will never have to pay even a single cent ever again. Grab Marketpresso today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Click below to get started creating instant authority and bagging immediate orders from your own marketplace. Introducing Marketpresso, world's first and only marketplace builder.
Hi there, this is Albanaga this side, and this is a demo video for Marketpresso. Now, in just a few seconds from now, I'm gonna create a good looking marketplace right in front of you, just like this one, right, with your banner image, with the categories right over here, with the about us description right over here, with the customer testimonials, all your services that you are going to be offering, and the subscription box. And along with this, when we go inside, the good looking product page, the service page that you're offering, right, and the checkout page and everything, the basic standard premium packages, your categories, subcategories, everything right over here, all the images in this alignment right over here. And let me show you how easy it is to create a marketplace like this using Marketplace. All right, so let's jump into it. All right, so inside your dashboard, you will go over here and click on add new. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one from the scratch right in front of you. All right, and let's give it a name. So for example, let's say Digi Marketplace, and let's say I give it the name Digimarket, and it will show you whether it is available or not, right? So that's the first step. Now when it is done, you upload the logo for your marketplace. All right, you click on upload images, and then so what I have done is I have already created the images, so that I want to respect your time, right? So I've already created the images, so I'm going to just select them right over here, right? And then you select the favicon image. So we're gonna jump right back right over here. We're gonna click on the favicon image, and just like this, bit by bit, drag and drop, we are gonna create your good looking marketplace, right? So the basic configuration is done. Now the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to add a service. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a service, right? Now again, just to save your time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the demo which I have already created, and let's say I open this. So I have created a doc, so just to save some time over here. All right, all right. So here's the thing. So the service is ebook cover design. So we are gonna call it ebook cover design, right? And then we come back over here. So we will write this down. I will create a professional ebook or book cover. Let's suppose. So the next thing is the about the service. So this is what we are doing. We are giving in this service, right? And do you want the ribbon text? I will show you later, okay? And then we can upload a service image right over here. All right, so I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go back to the demo. All right, and then I have the images right over here. So I'm gonna click over here and I'm gonna select an image. All right, okay, so I have this image and then I'm gonna save the service. All right, I'm gonna save the service. Now we created 1 second. Okay, let me show you what we are creating already. All right, so we created digi market. All right, let me open that for you. The marketplace is already created, right? That's the beauty, it's just done in a second, right? All right, so let it load, and we have this demo image coming just by default. All right, so don't worry about it, and we will have everything ready right over here. All right, so let's go inside and let's click on the variations for this service. All right, so what we are going to be doing is we are going to be offering the basic package. Let's suppose the basic package, right? And then we are going to cover the description, right? So high resolution 2D and 3D cover, something like this. So the short description, what is going to be the price? Let's suppose $50. All right, so it is by default in dollars. All right, and then it automatically gets connected with the global payment service that we have integrated, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, just in case you are selling it to some other country and some other currency. All right, so what would be the delivery time? Let's suppose 5 days, and let's suppose we are gonna do three revisions, right? That was just for the demo. And then what are you giving in this particular service? Let's suppose you are giving commercial use, is it? Okay, so all right, so you're gonna click on yes, then it will come over here. All right, what else? What else? Let's suppose you're also giving the 3D image. All right, so it's gonna come over here. All right, now let's add some other variation, right? So something like this: basic, standard, and premium. All right, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a price. Let's suppose $100. Let's suppose 150, and this is something which will be delivered in 4 days. This is something which will be delivered in 2 days. All right, and we have three revisions over here. Let's suppose we are doing five revisions over here, and again we are going to be doing five revisions over here, and both of these services are going to be available over here. And what else can we offer? Let's suppose we don't want to offer back and spine in the basic package, so I'm gonna again add this back and spine, okay, something like this. So this is one of the deliverables inside the ebook creation, but I don't want to offer in the standard package, so I'm gonna click on no, right? Let's suppose I want to offer this in both of them, so I'm gonna click on yes. Right now I want to make sure that the premium service is a winner, so I'm gonna add something. Let's suppose three lines is to stock image, just like this. All right, and then now I will click on no, I will click on no, and over here it will be yes, right? Of course. And now what else? So we want some short description over here. So the short description for the premium package is this. All right, now whatever you want to write, right, let me just show you in a couple of seconds where it is gonna be visible. All right, and the basic description for this standard package is going to be this, right? All right, so I believe we have covered everything. So let me click on the save variation. Okay, and then we go inside the media. All right, so all the images that you will, that you want to show for your marketplace would be visible right over here. So let's suppose I select this image, right? And let's suppose I select this image. So again, over here we can show multiple images. So of course, it makes sense that you upload multiple images and you just flaunt your work, right? So I click over here, I click over here. Okay, so let me select this image and then let me select this one, and then finally let me select this one, right? So the four images we have selected for this particular variation. Right now, do we want to add FAQ? We can, right? So let's suppose okay, so we have not something over here, so let's suppose just a question. Okay, how much would be the delivery time? Let's suppose something like that. Okay, and let's suppose 3 days. I mean, just for the demo purpose. All right, we can add more questions over here. All right. Okay, so let me shut this down, and let me show you that we don't have the service in our marketplace as of now in the home page. Okay, in the home page. Okay, right over here. But now this is the good part, right? You can enable that, which service you want to be, you want in the home page, right? So now when I enable this, I would see that this particular service is now visible in the home page. So basically, this service was already created inside the marketplace, but again, it is completely under our control that which particular service we want to show in the home page, right? Just like over here in this particular marketplace, the demo marketplace that we have created, do you see that we have shown multiple services right over here, right? And now I was talking about the badge, right? Do you see this badge right over here, top seller? Now let's suppose if you want to highlight some of your service, so what you can do is you can go back right over here, and let's suppose you want to highlight this one for today. So let's suppose what you can do is you can write down top seller, hot seller, something like this, and on a discount, whatever you want to add, you can do that right over here. And if I go ahead and refresh this, so right in front of your eyes, this will, we will have the top seller badge right over here, right? You can control the, background color and everything. So don't worry about that. Now, let's take care of some of the, customizations. So let me go to the page settings right over here. Now, we can add the categories. Do you see these categories? Graphic design, writing and translation, digital marketing, all these categories and subcategories. So this is something that can be created from here, right? So let's suppose my category is ebook creation because we selected a service like that, right? And do we need a service? Okay, so the description. Okay, so I will create the ebooks for you, right? Or maybe I will create professional ebooks for you, right? And now, what do we want to upload in the category image? So I would suggest that the profile image that we selected for the service, let's not select it for the category, and we can select a different image if we want, or otherwise for saving the time, I'm selecting this particular image. Right now, I have this category right over here, but again, it won't be visible in the marketplace until I would select, I would enable this option. All right, so this is how you do this. Now what you can do is you can go to the customize page settings. All right, and over here you can transform the complete look of your marketplace, right? Just like this. So you have all the drag and drop options right over here. So for example, this is my background image by default as of now, but I can simply click over here and I can upload a background image. Again, I have created a background image already, again, to respect your time, right? And so let's suppose I'm gonna upload this particular image, right? So the demo image, right? And we click on save. Okay, and you would see that the image that we uploaded is, right over here, right? What you can also do is you can upload another image. All right, you can upload another image. Let's suppose you also want to enable other, background image, the profile image, and let's select this as well. Okay, and let me click on save. And now inside my marketplace we will have this particular image as a banner image, right? So now we have this, and then we have the professional services, like, right, like we did just now. So this is the category, right? This is the category. Now this is a default text, you can change this. So what you should be doing is come over here and professional category. No, this is not looking good. Let me, yeah, professional category now, and let me click on save. All right. Okay, so we have the professional category right over here, right? We have the about the marketplace right over here. We have the subscribe section, and we have everything. Now, the good thing is that you can change and drag and drop, everything right over here. For example, let's suppose you don't want the subscribe option in your, marketplace. You can simply disable it. Now, for example, you want the customer testimonials section to be below the services section. Okay, so what you can do is you can click over here, and now the services section, it comes up, and the customer testimonial section, it goes down, right? I mean, everything is drag and drop easy, right? And just like I mentioned that you can change the entire, color of the marketplace, and play around with the colors just like this. Now this one is looking neat, right? So this color would now be applicable inside your everywhere, in fact everywhere. Okay, so let me just show you right over here. So we have this marketplace, and okay, so we have the services enabled right over here. So in the featured section, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enable the categories or the services, right? I'm going to enable the services, right? And when I come back, I have my service, I have this top seller badge, I have this category, right? I have this background image, I have this category right over here inside the menu. My blog section is here, my, USD, currency section is here. People can sign into my marketplace, register inside my marketplace. My company details are over here. Now, for example, I want to change this, all right? The about section, I want to upload my own image right over here, the image of your company, your brand, or whatever it is, right? So let's have the about us branding, right? I want to show you everything, so that you don't have any confusion. Now you can change this text according to your company, right? So let me not dive into that, and I'm going to click on save. And once again, I'm going to show you the real time change, right? So everything is something which is happening in real time, right? Yeah, do you see this? We have the image right over here. And yes, we created the service. So let me click over here. And do you see this? We have this, all the images that we selected right over here. We have the basic, standard, and the premium package. And then we have the about the service. We have this compare package. We created the FAQs, right? And then the customers can go ahead and try to order this service, right? They will go ahead and they will see, okay, so basic package, 5 days delivery, 3 revisions, and the ebook cover design. Now, okay, we don't have any reviews yet, right? So let's also create a review. By the way, you can the customers on your marketplace now can order the service to the client, sorry, can order the service as inside the cart. They can add it to the cart, or they can straight away order it right from here, right? So we will have the cart page, we will have the straight away order now page, right? The payment options would be right over here. And what else, let me show you the reviews, right? So let's go back, and let's add some reviews. So the reviews would be the testimonials that we will be adding, right? So let's click on add new review. Now this can be done in two ways, right? So let's suppose a customer Sarah is adding the reviews, right? And let's say she says I love it, and she loved the ebook cover design service, and then I can upload the cover, customer image. Now, the reviews can be added in two ways. So, your customers will have the option of adding the reviews by themselves, or you also have the option of adding the reviews manually inside your marketplace. Now, both the reviews, okay, the reviews that your customers would be adding and the reviews that you would be adding, all of them will go inside the pending tag right over here, and then it is totally up to you that whether you want to approve it or not. Now this review has been approved, so now this is something that will be visible inside the service. Okay, this is something that will be visible inside the service. Do you see this? But yet this is something which is not yet visible inside the main homepage. Now for that, what I need to do is, once again, it is totally under your control that whether you want a particular testimonial to be visible in the homepage or not. So as of now it was not there, but once again now I will refresh. So now you will see that the testimonial is also over here, right? Do you see this? And of course you can, play around, and you can bring this up, bring this down, you can do everything. So just like that, you add the testimonials, you add the services, you add the about description, you add the ebook, the categories, your categories right over here. And if you will come to this sample marketplace, right, so we have created this category, we have created the we have not created the subcategory, but again we will add another category, and just like that it will come down, right? We will select, and then we have selected these categories, right? We created these categories, we created the about us section, we created this customer testimonials, right? So I just added one testimonial in front of you. You can add multiple testimonials, and they would be visible right over here. We created one service right in front of you. You will add more services, and then you can select which particular service should be visible right over here. Then we have the blog option, right, just in case you want to have a look at that. So we have the blog option inside your marketplace, by the way, with automatic Google indexing. So this blog automatically gets indexed in Google as soon as you publish it. Okay, so for which particular marketplace do you want to publish the blog? You select the blog, you select the marketplace, and then you select the title, you select the author name, you select the blog content, upload the image, and just like that your blog would be created inside your marketplace, right? So this is how, I mean, it would have taken us like 15 minutes, but again 15 minutes for a full-fledged running business just like this, with a quality, marketplace of your own, with all your services right over here. It's a huge time saver. At the same time, the perceived value of your business, these services, and your positioning as the go-to service guy in this particular industry, in your particular space, it goes up, right? So it's a totally worth, if totally worth set of effort that you will be putting for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, right? And just like that your good looking marketplace would be ready, right? I would say that go ahead, add your services, add your categories and all that, and just like this your marketplace would be created. Interlink everything. We are going to teach you inside the members area how to maximize the potential of your marketplace. We are going to teach you inside the marketplace, sorry, inside the members area, how to put the right kind of images, and what should be the psychology behind these, what should be the marketing, how should you be doing the marketing for your marketplace. So everything we are going to teach you inside the members area, right? So once again, this is me, Saurabh Bhatnagar, the one of the co-founders of Marketpresso, and I'm totally pumped up to host you inside the members area and serving you well over there. All right, so see you there. Bye bye.
Okay, so we're back. So this is what your backend area is going to look like after you purchase. There are multiple upgrades. First one is going to give you the Pro version. This gives you unlimited marketplaces, all these extra features here for a one-time price of $97. Then they have a template club. This gives you 10 done for you marketplaces and 50 done for you services. This one's $77. The next one is you can get advanced clients, advanced traffic conversions, training by the co-founder of Marketpresso on how to actually get like clients and stuff. With this is $147. And then they've got another one here, which is an agency license. You can actually allow others to sell on your marketplace, so you can kind of be like the Fiverr owner. This one's $197 one time. Then they've got a software called JustTap. This allows you to use NFC business cards and create those different business cards. So these are this one right here is $37 one time. You can go through the sales funnel if you want to, or like I said before, you can click on this little purple button on my bonus page. That will take you over to the bundle discount. That means that you're going to get the front end offer and all the upgrades. You get all these different upgrades that we just went through here, all these different ones, all for a one-time price. Here you save a ton of money, and there's even a $50 off coupon code, so it ends up being about $297. But yeah, it's up to you. You can go through the sales funnel, you can get the bundle. It's your choice. Okay, so what do I like about Marketpresso AI and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, I mean, with any kind of marketplace like this, you're going to have to set up your gigs. You're going to have to deliver on them. There is work involved. So if you're looking for like some magical push button thing, this isn't. What do I like about this? This is a software put out by guys that I highly trust. They put out really good software. They support their software. If this is something that you'd like to do, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Marketpresso AI review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. It makes you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.